How you doing, guys? I had a very interesting question on my YouTube channel, which actually make a wonderful topic. And this is in response. Our question was a response to my upgrading the firmware of my 2009 Mac Pro into a 2010 Mac Pro, enabling me to use Sierra. I didn't upgrade any of the hardware components. I just allowed me to use the newest operating system. And this question actually comes from. We're going to put it right here from Fazil Shah. Hi, Stephen. I have updated successfully. I have one doubt. Can I upgrade my RAM using 8 gigabytes in one slot? Because in the early 2009 model, it supports up to 4 gigabytes per slot. Is it possible? And yes, it is. And we're going to talk about it right now. Is a full topic. I've talked about it before in bits and pieces, but today we're going to put it all together. And actually, for the 2009 Mac Pro, 16 gigabyte modules are supported. So you can put up to 64 gigabytes for a single CPU. In the dual CPU Mac Pros, you can put up to 128 gigabytes. Apple has always been very conservative with their maximum amount of RAM possible. And that's because when they come out with a new Mac Pro, they use whatever's available at the time. Like, give you an example, maybe 4 gigabyte modules. So they tend to keep it the same, even though a couple of years down the line, 8 gigabyte modules maximum comes out. Then they still keep it at a more conservative amount that was available. So in many cases, you can actually double the amount of RAM that normally will be supported. Obviously, with stipulations, I guess there might be certain situation where you can't, but on the most part, you can. And a great website to check out for this is OWC website or Other World Computing. They do sell Mac components for the older Mac Pros, and they actually do testing. With a newer RAM module comes out, they'll actually put it in there and test it and see if it's supported and things like that. You don't have to necessarily buy RAM from them or anything else, but they do have their blog and RAM configurator for the different model of Mac Pros, and they have excellent tutorial videos for do-it-yourself upgrades as well, so check that out. Great website to go. And now let's also talk about RAM speed as well, because one of the things that one of the features you have doing the firmware upgrade is you can go from it ups your memory speed from 1066 to 1333 megahertz, making the memory speed a little bit faster. Now, to do that, you actually have to upgrade the CPU as well to enable this faster memory speed, and then you would simply install the faster memory speed RAM modules, but often that's going to be kind of expensive. Many people don't want to do that, and in most cases faster memory speed is not going to be even really noticeable, even usable at all anyway, because in most I'd say about 80-90% of the time you don't really necessarily going to max out memory speed in most cases, unless it's specialized application or use of your Mac Pro as well. And so I figured this was going to be a very interesting topic. So thanks for the questions, and I like answering questions. It makes for a very interesting community here on my YouTube channel. So thanks.